Don't overthink it. Just give thanks. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you will be uplifted and learn something new today. In today's eye look, I am going to change this one color eyeshadow into something different. Keep watching to see how everything unfolds. I'm showing you and teaching you of different ways to change your eyeshadow look into something different, and also just to create fun eyeshadow looks. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. Take care of yourself. Do not dim your light for another. If you find yourself struggling, please reach out and seek help. Do not suffer in silence. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is V. I create all types of eyeshadow looks on my hooded eyes. I love to have fun with eyeshadow makeup. If that is something you like, please subscribe, and as the videos are uploaded to YouTube, YouTube will notify you. Please remember to watch all the videos at full length, because that's how it helps the algorithm to put more of my videos out. It helps it show it to more people. I want to say I appreciate you and your time. Every single minute of your time, I appreciate it daily. Today's I am says, I receive life gifts with gratitude. I receive life's gifts with gratitude. Always give thanks, no matter how small it looks to you. Give thanks. The more you give thanks, the more you'll find things to give thanks to. I'm using this small brush, pencil brush, and I'm putting a brown from the inner corner crease all the way to the outer corner crease. I'm just right under the brow bone. I'm just blending the brown in. It's a brown shade. I'm going to use a shimmer to put on the lids. I'm using the same pencil brush. I cleaned it, and I'm going to go into that shimmer. It didn't work too good with my fingers, so I'm going to try it with the brush. I did not wet the brush. I usually don't wet my brush when I'm putting shimmers. But giving thanks, being grateful for the little things that happen in our life is a very important step. You can even write it down, what you're thankful for. In the morning when I wake up, on my calendar, I always write at least 1 to 5 things I am thankful for when I wake up in the morning. I sometimes put I'm thankful for life. I'm thankful for health. I am thankful for my family and friends. I'm thankful for God. I'm thankful for a new day. I'm thankful for health. I am thankful for the universe. And that's what I write these things. Every day I write something different. Sometimes I write the same thing. It just depends. I don't overthink it. I wake up in the morning, I say my prayers. I look at my calendar planner right next to my bed, and I just pick up the pen and I just start writing what I'm thankful for. Whatever shows up, that's what it is. Whether I write the same thing 3 days in a row, I don't worry about it. It doesn't matter how many times you write the same thing. The thing is that you are giving thanks, and don't overthink it. Just give thanks. Today's look, 3-color eyeshadow look. I changed this simple 1-color eyeshadow look into this. This is a glam look. You can go out with this and have a wonderful time. I dress it with this headscarf to make it my own unique style. Tell me what you think in the comments. I changed the lip color, the blush to go with the eye look. My base is the Estee Lauder Sandalwood. It is the double wear pressed powder foundation. I'll mention today's I am again because we have to keep giving thanks and be grateful. It says, I receive life's gifts with gratitude. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself and do not dim your light for another. Always know that you belong and you are enough. You are loved daily. And don't let anyone tell you any different. You are in this world for a purpose. So use it and enjoy this life. We only have one. Until I see you and you see me, I want you to know that you are loved. You are loved. And remember to give thanks. I will see you shortly. Bye. You can create this eye look too. I know you can. Go ahead, make it your day.